Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you an easy 5-minute jerk shrimp recipe. Just a simple recipe. Now guys, here I have probably a pound of shrimp, the jumbo ones, and my Jamaican Grace jerk seasoning, my black pepper, my sea salt, and I'm using a little bit of fish seasoning. So let's get the show on the road. Okay guys, so let's get this on the way. Now what I'm gonna do, I know my measurements, but as I said, I'll leave it in the description below. I'd add the fish seasoning, a little salt, not that much, a little black pepper, and my Grace jerk seasoning I got from the Caribbean store. So I'm gonna add just a half a tablespoon because this thing kicks, so you don't want to add too much. And then you want to mix it around. If you want to use your hands, you can use your hands. Mix it around. If you want to add much, if you like spices, you can add more. Jerk shrimp. I'm also gonna add a little of my homemade jerk's green seasoning, just to add a little flavor to it, and just mix that around while I prepare the pot to jerk these lovely shrimps. As I said, these are jumbo shrimps, perfect for this recipe. So let's get the show going. Here I have my pot being heated, so I'm going to add just a tablespoon of oil because you don't need much oil. Okay, so now that the pot is heated, we're gonna add the shrimp. Spread them out. As soon as you see them getting pink,